welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I am doing another organization clean video, and I'm going to be tackling my pantry today. So I'm showing my pantry, and believe it or not, it's not too bad for me. It has definitely been a lot worse, but it could be better. So I am going to work on it today. I have exposed myself in a previous video that I tend to over purchase, especially as it relates to food and items where I don't always do inventory before I go to the grocery store, and I'm trying to do better. So I have this little series going where I'm going through the places in my home and kind of looking at where I have duplicates, organizing everything, touching everything, making sure I don't have anything beyond the expiration date, and getting it together. All right, so this is what I've done in the pantry. I was able to clear out some things, but I was also able to organize, which was the intent of it. So I do still have a lot of items in here, but it's so much neater for me. And I've actually touched everything. I've looked at expiration dates. I know what I have. I've put everything that I could into the containers. I would have loved to have been able to have a pantry that you open the door and everything is lined up in containers, but that's not real life for me. So I had to make it functional for me. That's what I did. And I put a couple Lazy Susans in there that kind of helps me with some of my condiments that are in here so that I can see them. And I put one in there with my oils and cooking sprays so that I can see what I have there as well. But I'm very, very happy with the way that it turned out because it's so much more organized, and now I know exactly what I have. So hopefully this was inspirational for you and you can get some ideas. Now on to my next project, which are my spices. Some time ago, I created a spice drawer that I actually love, which is right near the stove, and it makes it convenient when I'm cooking. However, I have more spices than this that I have to reach for, and they are up above the stove, and they have gotten to the point where, first of all, they're too high up, so it's hard to get to them. And so I need to have a way in which I'm easily able to access them. And yeah, also this needs some organization. Obviously, this cabinet has become quite a mess. So let's see what we can do to organize it. All right, so it wasn't a whole lot to do in here because I had just recently done this system where I have the spices in my drawer. So I just did some cleanup in there, and then up here, I organized the spices, believe it or not. I have a lot of dupes and everything, which is the story of my life, but that's the whole purpose of this organization thing that I'm doing. But with this one plastic bin, and I really wish that I had picked up more than the one. They were on the clearance at the Container Store, but I only picked up one. And so what I did was put the spices in here that I reach for the most often. So they're right there, and I can get to them and just kind of pull that bin down. I can't do it now because I just have one hand. But I tried to put as much organization in here as I possibly could. So it looks better, believe it or not. I know where everything is. I know what duplicates I have. So I know when I'm out at the store what not to buy because I don't need anymore. But anyway, that is it for my pantry and my spice drawer organization. Come back again for my next organization video that'll be coming up very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you back here next time. I'm winded because I've been working so hard, but see you next time. Bye-bye.